Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore WhatsApp chat history from Google Drive, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore your WhatsApp chat history from Google Drive, first ensure that your phone is connected to the internet. Open the WhatsApp application on your device. If you don't have WhatsApp installed, download it from the Google Play Store. Once installed, open WhatsApp and begin the setup process. Enter your phone number and verify it using the SMS code sent to you. Follow the prompts to agree to WhatsApp's terms and conditions. Once you reach the screen asking if you want to restore your chat history, tap on the Restore button. WhatsApp will then search for your backup on Google Drive. Ensure that you're logged into the Google account that contains your WhatsApp backup. If asked, grant WhatsApp permission to access your Google Drive account. Your backup will now start restoring. After the restoration is complete, tap Next to proceed. You will see your chats appearing once the restoration process is finished. If you had any media files in your chats, they will be restored once you open the individual conversations. Once everything is set up, you can start using WhatsApp with your restored chat history. Make sure to regularly back up your chats to avoid losing any important messages in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.